3 and streaming on WFSB Plus. This is Eyewitness News at 5.
First up at 5 o'clock, news on the second trial of Michelle Troconis.
Her contempt trial will be delayed as her brand new attorney gets caught up on the case and the history. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight for Eyewitness News here at 5. I'm Mark Zinni.
And I'm Erin Connolly. Both of Troconis' new attorneys were at Stanford Superior Court today, and so was Channel 3's Matt McFarland.
He is your reporter who has covered this case from the very beginning. Matt, what's the latest tonight?
Well, Mark and Aaron, the original plan was that they would show up in court today, they would handle any pending issues, and then the contempt trial would start in March. But now that's getting pushed back to give her new attorney a chance to prepare. Michelle Troconis back in court, this time with her new attorney.
I just came in yesterday, so I'm not sure where we are exactly in the proceedings.
Darnell Crossland is now representing Troconis in the criminal contempt of court charge she picked up last year during her trial in the death and disappearance of Jennifer Farber-Doulos, the wife of her boyfriend at the time, Fotis Doulos.
This matter was down for Ms. Troconis to elect either a court or a jury trial for that March 11th date that we had scheduled. But given Attorney Crossland's appearance just yesterday, I don't know how he intends to proceed today.
Troconis is serving 14.5 years in prison after jurors convicted her of conspiracy to commit murder. The contempt charge focuses on a sealed Doulos family custody evaluation and psych report spotted on her laptop during that trial last winter, a report she wasn't supposed to have. Today in court, a judge gave Crossland 2 extra months to prepare his case, which he says will include calling to the stand the court videographer from the first trial.
As it relates to the criminal court and dissemination, which they call it now, Law and Crime, one of their employees was directly told to not shoot the screens of anything on counsel's table.
As for when the trial finally takes place, the state expects to only need a day or 2 to lay out its case, adding the contempt charges based not only on her possession of that sealed report, but also claiming her attempt to publicize it, something Crossland disputes.
It's ridiculous. This contempt itself is 6 months. In all the other jurisdictions, in all the states in the union, if this was there, they would already drop this contempt in light of the sentence. What are we doing here? It's garbage.
So what's next? Well, both sides will be back here April 18th. At that time, they'll pick a new trial date. Your reporter live at Stanford Superior Court, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Matt, thank you. Some breaking news.